Hi everyone, out at the field today testing a bit of a hybrid motor here, combo of the HawkSky AT2306 V2 and 2306 V3 2750 kV motors on 3S King Kong 6040 prop. So I'll talk a bit more here as we rip. So in my last flying video I had tested the V3 motor on 3S. And a couple of days ago, rips pretty good. A couple of days ago I had tried to test it on 4S with the 6x3 EMP prop, and it was seriously fast, but the flight only lasted about a minute, and I think I cooked the stator. I could see a couple of really dark spots on the windings really close to the shaft. Yeah, she winds out nice. So anyway, so I thought I would put the bell from the V3 on the base of the V2, since the magnets the magnets on the V3 are a little thicker and stronger. So anyway, it tested okay on the bench. Yeah, nice. So I'm running the King Kong 6040 just because I tend to like a 6x4 prop when I'm running 3S. Although it was just a tiny bit better thrust-wise and a bit more efficient with the 6x3 EMP. Too fun. So anyway, it's not, you know, it's still up there probably in the top, definitely in the top 5 motors that I've tested. It's actually got pretty good mid-range, like at around 60% throttle. It really really moves nicely. You know, quite similar, even though the thrust test numbers on the bench are not quite as good as the GEP RC with the 6x4 EPC gas. It still really clips along nicely, you know, at around 60% throttle, which is, you know, other than these videos, is probably where I spend about 80% of my time. You know, I don't think it's quite as fast at full throttle, just because this prop is not, it's probably about 15% less power on, you know, on a motor than the 6x4 EPC gas. Okay, so there's my alarm. Let's try and get one more good pass here. Okay, so yeah, it's about 15% less, produces about 15% less thrust than the 6x4 EPC gas, but it's dirt cheap. And on the 6x4 EPC gas on the bench, this motor actually tested really really poorly. It was very, very high amp draw and considerably less thrust than the 6x3 EMP or the King Kong. Now I'm not going to be able to get a real valid test of heat buildup because it's only about 4 degrees Celsius here today, but yeah, it's not bad. It's a little warm. I'd have to keep an eye on it in warmer weather. What I'm hoping is, the one thing with the version 2 is because this whole top was one solid piece, it wasn't open like this, it ran really, really hot at times. So I'm hoping that with this open on the top here, it'll run a bit cooler. So anyway, so you know, there you go. Luckily the two pieces fit together. They spin nice and smooth. Tested up okay, so you know, time will tell. I don't think, based on how much heat I felt there, that I'd probably run this on 4S, but anyway, I was able to salvage it. It runs, I think it does fly better, a little bit faster than the version 2 did. Yeah, so I'm very happy with that. Please check out the links or the video description below for links to everything. And thanks for watching. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone. Park jet noise, other sound of freedom, baby. Take care.